In this video, we show how to set up a WhatsApp business account. For this, you must first go to the Play Store or App Store and download the app WhatsApp Business. And after downloading this, you must press the open button like this. And this is the business for WhatsApp. Now here it shows WhatsApp Business, a simple, secure, and reliable way for business to connect with their customers. And tap agree to continue to accept the terms and conditions. You must press this one, that is agree and continue. Now it asks, shall we use the number currently in the SIM or you want a different number? This number or use a different number. If I want another number to add for my business account, then I will check the use a different number option. Then you must enter your number that you wish to add for your business account here. Select your country. We are now in India, so we select +91, and after that you must enter the phone number. Here you must enter the number like this, 94. Your phone number you must enter 9446978547, and after that I press the next button like this. So we will be verifying the phone number. Is it okay? It asks, and we must press the OK button. Now we can see that there is a verify, waiting to automatically detect the SMS sent. Verifying your WhatsApp business code. Verifying. Yeah. Now we press the continue option. Allow. WhatsApp Messenger background found. If you don't move now, you will see your all messages and media in WhatsApp Business. If you don't need, then you can skip this. Yeah. Finally, your created business profile. Now I'm going to enter the business name here. ENGINERSWORLD, and I press the next button. Now it asks a category for your business. So the suggested note of business: vehicle service, apparel, clothing, arts, beauty, education, finance, supermarket, convenience, non-profit organization. Again, in WhatsApp Business area, you must press the 3 dot like this, and you go to the settings, and in the settings you can see the business tool, and here you must press the manage tool, and here you can option to edit, and from edit you can add the label or icon from the gallery. Okay, I'm going to select this logo for our. Now I press the done like this, and now we have successfully created our logo. So this is the logo that you can see the patients who are visiting our account with this number 9446978547. And now I'm changing from not a business. Okay, once again I'm going to edit this one, and I'm going to change from not a business to scroll here, and here we are going to change because we are a news and media company, so we are searching here news and media website, newspaper, like that, and we have news and media website I opted for. Finally I saved like this. You can also add the website here. Once again you must press this 3 dot here like this. You must press the 3 dot, and from here you must open the settings, and in the setting you can see the option business tool, or you can even see a QR code here. You can see the option of QR code also here. You can see the code. You can share the code with anybody else of your business account. And in this business tool, you can manage your profile, including the business aways, or you can add the catalog of products. And in the messaging tool section, you can send the away messages by turning on like this, or you can send the greeting messages to your customers by turning on this. Thank you for contacting. This will be the greeting message. You can also add quick replies, labels, etc. Hope you understood how to create business account in WhatsApp. For more, you can text us in our WhatsApp number 9446978547. Thank you.